My dear friends, today I will talk about the three most important minerals that can help you to get a healthy liver. Liver is the organ that probably doing much work than any other organ in our body. Usually hundreds processes each day the liver must do that we are healthy each day. That's why you need to take these vitamins. If you follow the show till the end, I will give you the food that you will find these vitamins, also the recommended daily dosage. The three key vitamins for the healthy liver are vitamin B1, B12 and vitamin D. Liver damage weakens the ability to break down certain vitamins, especially vitamins B12 and the B1. Research shows that if you have the fatty liver, cirrhosis or liver cancer, these vitamins are in a big problem. It is especially important to take B group vitamins together. And this is, I was telling, hundreds time in my YouTube channel. When you take vitamins B complex together, they get a good quality health benefits for our body than if you take it separately. But for today's show, we know that vitamin B1 and the B12 are the very best vitamins for our healthy liver. The recommended daily dosage is 50 milligrams of each of vitamin B groups together 3 times daily, plus extra vitamin B1 and the B12. They are needed for the healthy digestion, absorption of the nutrients, creation of the red blood cells. Always consult your doctor before about recommended daily dosage. Vitamin B12 actually exists in many forms and contains the mineral cobalt, which is why the compound with vitamin B12 collectively called cobalamins. Vitamin B12 benefits the central nerve system in many important ways. It helps maintain the health of the nerve cells, including those needed for neurotransmitting signals. Vitamins B complex is very good for the liver, but when you think about it, vitamin B complex, always remember they are very good for the brain health, spine health and the nerves health, because many of these vitamins is the integral part of our brains and nerve cells. That's why you need this vitamin B12 if you have a chance to get dementia, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's disease, maybe you have peripheral neuropathy or any kind of diseases of the spine and so much other problems. Vitamin B12 benefits the central nervous system in many important ways. It helps maintain the health of the nerve cells, including those needed for neurotransmitter signaling, and helps form the protective covering of the nerves, called myelin sheath of the cells. This means when you low in B12 levels, almost any cognitive functions can suffer. What are B12 foods? That is liver, organic beef, Atlantic mackerel, shellfish, king crab, organic milk, organic lamb, tuna, oysters, octopus, herring, trout, mussels, sardines, kidneys, salmon, and the recommended daily dose for adults is 2.4 micrograms. B12 vitamins is very important, but maybe the most important vitamin for your healthy liver is the vitamin B1. Exciting news, my dear followers! My first book, that is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, is available to you right now. You can now grab your copy in Croatian, Polish, German and English on my brand new website mariolab.hr. Get your copy today and unlock the secrets to healthier and longer life. The book is available for every country all around the world. must remember this. This is researchers well documented. Vitamin B1 is also called thiamine. Is technical thiazole and pyrimidine derivative that contains sulfur. It is used in combination with other B vitamins, which make the B vitamin complex to regulate important functions of cardiovascular system, the endocrine system, and digestive system. High concentration of thiamine are usually found in skeletal muscle and the heart, liver, kidney, and the brain. So this is important to know. A large quantity of this vitamin B1 is in your liver. That's why if you don't take food in high quality vitamin B1, if you take very poor diet, take any kind of medication, usually you depleted yourself from the vitamin B1. And this is in research, and people are very well known. If you have a chronic lack of vitamin B1, you have very good chance to get a sick fatty liver cirrhosis, or maybe in the end of the stages a cancer liver. Where you can find vitamin B1, you can find it in nutritional yeast, algae like spirulina, kelp and chlorella, sunflower seeds, macadamia nuts, black beans, lentils, soy, navy beans, peas, beef liver, asparagus, Brussels, trout and salmon. And this is all very well documented. So if you have the sick liver, better yet, if you want to prevent any kind of problems with the sick liver, the vitamin B complex is going to help you a lot, especially B1 and B12. And third vitamin that is very helpful for the liver is vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the most important vitamins in our body, especially in this modern era. Many people, maybe like 80 or 90% people of the modern world, had chronic lacking or chronic deficiency of vitamin D. Why? Because the most important source of vitamin D is, of course, the sun. Modern people, 90-95% of their time are in the area that cannot reach the sun. This is like our apartments, our offices or whatever. Is so important when you can't. Each day when it is sunny day, go outside and be on the sun 30 minutes to maybe 1 hour. Get exposure to the sun and you will get a good quality vitamin D. Usually you will not do this. That's why you need to take high quality vitamin D supplements or take the food that is rich in vitamin D that I was explaining a lot of videos on my channel. In conclusion of today's show, a vitamin B complex, especially B1, B12 and vitamin D, is the most important vitamin for the healthy liver. For the last 25 years, I'll be working with the patient all around the world. I proudly can say I cured thousands and thousands of people. My specialty to heal you with the help of my programs of natural medicine and nutrition. By following Mariolab Natural Treatments program, you enable yourself to be permanently healthy without drugs and any kind of surgeries. For certain conditions and diseases, in my office we use medical, physical therapy and rehabilitation treatments. If you want me to treat you, call the Mariolab Center in Zagreb, Croatia, or visit mariolab.hr. My new website where you have all necessary information. The links are located below the video. Complete treatments, my phone consultations are doing in Croatian and also in English language.